Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can make a router on a stick lab. So first you will go in the file, then create a new project. My project is already created here, router on a stick. Okay, so first we will take one router from here. This is our router and one layer 2 switch and two PCs are here. PC will running on GNS3 VM. Okay, so we will change host name first. This is the PC only. No, yes, we will change here the router. Okay, and we will change the switch host name as well. We can change the host name and the image name as well from the this change host name. Okay, so first we will connect all the devices with the cable. It is 0/0 to Ethernet 0/0 here and Ethernet 0/1 to PC1. Okay, and Ethernet 0/2 to PC2. Okay, first we will arrange our topology. So this is our topology for router on stick. Okay, we will start the all the devices. Now we will open the terminals for all the devices. Cancel. Okay, this is our switch. First we will configure the switch only. Okay, now I will start with the switch. I will create one VLAN here. Configure terminal. I will create one VLAN. VLAN will be 100. Okay, now we can check the VLAN status. Do show. First we'll go exit. We will check first here our VLAN status. Show VLAN brief. Okay, so we can see here our VLAN are created. Then we'll go in the ports. First I will go configure terminal. First I am going to the this first port which is connected with router. Okay, this port Ethernet 0/0. Okay, first I will go in this interface E0/0. Okay, I will make it trunk port. First we will configure the trunk port. So switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. Okay, now shut. This is down state. Now it's up state. Okay, now we will go in another interface. Which one connected with our with our PC1 and PC. First we will configure the PC1 port from connected with the switch Ethernet E0/0. After that we will configure Ethernet 0/2. Okay, so first we will go in the our interface E0/1. Okay, switch port mode access. Okay, switch port access VLAN 100. Okay, now we will go in another port interface E0/2 switch port mode access. Okay, switch port access VLAN 100. Okay, so this is our switch configuration only. Now we will go the router for router configuration. Okay, this is here only. First I will create here one DHCP pool. Okay, first we will create DHCP pool. We'll go in the configuration terminal, IP DHCP pool. Now we will give the pool name. So pool name we will give the technical. Okay, this is our pool name. Now I will give the network, our network range. Our network range will be network 192.168.1.0 255.255.255.0. This is our network. Default router will be 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0. This is our default router. Then we'll give the DNS as well. Our DNS server will be 8.8.8. Okay, now we will go in the interface. Then we'll go and check here our DHCP pool. So I will give the show running command here, and you can see here our IP DHCP pool technical is created. This is our network ID, this is our network detail, this is default router and DNS as well. This is our DHCP pool. First I'm going to some changes in our DHCP pool. Okay, so we don't need to put here subnet mask in the default router. Okay, so this is my mistake. First I will go in the router configure terminal, IP DHCP pool will be technical. Okay, default router will be 192.168.1.1. okay, this is our default router. Now we'll go back and we'll check again, show running. Okay, then you can see here default router is 192.168.1.1. okay, we'll go back. Now I am going to this port for this port configuration. Okay, which is connected with our switch. Okay, so we'll go in the router first. I will check here. First I'm going to configure terminal, then I will give the command interface E0/0 is connected with our switch. Okay, so I am creating here one sub interface like virtual interface .1. okay, so I will give some commands here, encapsulation.1q and our VLAN name. So our VLAN name is 100. So why we are giving here VLAN name? Because which VLAN are connected with which VLAN are created on the switch. Okay, so our port only communicate with the same VLAN. Okay, so this is the port. What is the port IP? I will give here IP address, the same IP which gave we on our default route. Okay, 1.1 255.255.255.0. Okay, okay, so this is our DHCP pool. Sorry, this is our port configuration. Now I will go back and check here, show running. Okay, our DHCP pool is created here, and you can see here our sub interface IP is 192.168, which is same to the default router. This is our gateway as well. Okay, so now we will go on the PC and we will check here IP DHCP is coming or not. Oh, it's not getting IP, so it's not finding the DHCP server. So first we will check what is happening is there, what is went wrong. First we will check here, show IP interface brief. Oh, our switch is our port is down now, so I will make it up. Config terminal interface E0/0, which is our physical port. Then I will give the command no shut. Then we'll go back and we'll check show IP interface brief. Okay, this is our port is up, so our virtual port is also up with this port only. Okay, now we will go on the PC1 IP DHCP. Okay, again something went wrong, we will check. So something going wrong. First we will go again in the switch, we'll take switch configuration as well. We'll check here, show running again. Sorry friends, we have to give one command more here in the switch trunk port as well. So I'll go back in the port, configuration terminal interface E0/0. We miss one command only. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, now we will go back, we can check show running. Okay, so our switch port is trunk mode now. So we'll go in the PC first, we will check here IP DHCP. So this is our only configuration. So our port is switch port trunk encapsulation mode trunk, and now we will go on the PC1, check here IP DHCP. Yes, our PC is getting IP, it means this is our correct configuration, router on stake, and we can check another PC as well. Okay, IP DHCP.